banana plugs ensure secure and reliable speaker wire connections, enhance audio quality, and make setup and changes quick and hassle-free. Before purchasing the best banana plugs, you should consider these 3 key factors. Factors to consider: 1. Connector size. 2. Material quality. 3. Grip strength. In today's video, we're showcasing the top 5 best banana plugs to help you understand everything you need to know in a simple and clear way, making it easier for you to choose the right one. If you want to check the latest prices and more product details, be sure to click the links in the description box below. So, let's get started. Starting with our first pick, Sewell SW29863-12 Deadbolt banana plugs. The self-crimping teeth are a unique feature that helps speed up installation, and the 24K gold plating is a nice touch. These plugs do the job well if you're setting up an audio system and don't want to mess around with complicated wiring. One thing I noticed is how firm the connection feels, especially with the compressible tip, which snugly fits into standard 4mm speaker jacks. This made connecting my receiver to the speakers a lot easier than I expected. These plugs are compatible with thicker wires, going up to 8 AWG, although 10 AWG is recommended. The red and black labeling for polarity is convenient and prevents the headache of connecting things incorrectly. Compared to other plugs I've tried, these give a more secure connection, especially since they don't rely on soldering or screws. Just push them in, and they lock tight. For anyone who wants to quickly set up a system without needing a lot of tools, these are great. Now, our second product is FosPower banana plugs. The closed screw design with dual screws of the FosPower banana plugs is a nice touch, keeping the wires secure and avoiding any risk of short circuits. They work well with AV receivers and amplifiers, making them a solid choice for home theater systems. Plus, the 24K gold plating adds to both performance and longevity, keeping the connectors corrosion-free. In terms of build quality, the gold plating not only looks good but also provides durability. That said, we did notice the grip strength is quite strong, so once it's in, it feels secure, and you won't need to worry about the plugs slipping out. One thing we appreciated was the compatibility range. These banana plugs work with speaker wires from 12 AWG to 18 AWG, which covers most standard audio setups. The color-coded connectors help you avoid mixing up the polarity, so you can get everything right the first time. They come with a 90-degree wire exit angle, which is great for tight spaces where straight connectors might not fit as neatly. If you're setting up a home theater or just need a simple, effective solution for speaker wire connections, these FosPower plugs are a good pick. Moving on to the third product, WGGE banana plugs. Whether you're hooking them up to an A/V receiver, amplifier, or home theater system, the WGGE WG009 banana plugs keep the wires in place securely without any worry of them coming loose. The fact that they're made of pure copper with 24K gold plating helps with sound clarity while also preventing corrosion, so you're getting durability as well as good audio quality. If you've ever dealt with unreliable plugs, this feature makes a big difference. These plugs can handle a range of speaker wires, from 12 AWG to 18 AWG, which adds versatility to your setup. It's nice not having to worry if your wires will fit. The color-coded connectors make it a breeze to identify the right polarity, which saves time during installation. The closed-type design is another plus, as it isolates the wires and prevents any chance of short-circuiting, a must-have for anyone with multiple devices in their setup. The wire exit on the WGGE WG009 is straight, which is convenient for most standard setups, but if you're dealing with limited space behind your devices, this might not be the most space-saving option. Next, number 4, Gearit Flex Pin banana plugs. Installation of the Gearit Flex Pin banana plugs is straightforward, mainly due to the dual screws that firmly lock the wire in place. The flex pin design is especially helpful when connecting to spring-loaded terminals, which can be tricky with standard plugs. It gives you a secure connection while allowing some flexibility in the wire placement, which is great for tight spaces or cluttered setups. The 24K gold plating on the pins is a solid choice for preventing corrosion over time. The Gearit Flex Pin banana plugs handle a variety of speaker wire sizes, from 12 AWG to 20 AWG, which is more than enough for most home theater and audio systems. If you've got thicker or thinner wires, these plugs will likely accommodate them without too much hassle. If you're using these in a high humidity environment, it's reassuring to know that they won't degrade quickly. The gold plating also helps with clear sound transfer, which is essential for anyone serious about audio quality. Compared to standard brass connectors, these feel more reliable in the long term. They also include clear red and black color coding, so there's less risk of wiring things up wrong, a small but necessary feature for anyone working with complex setups. And finally, our last choice is VCELINK 4mm speaker banana plugs. The open screw design of the VCELINK 4mm speaker banana plugs makes it easy to attach speaker wires without much fuss. If you've got 20 AWG to 14 AWG speaker wires, these plugs will do the job with minimal hassle. The connection holds well thanks to the screw tightening mechanism, and once the wire is locked in, it doesn't move around, which is great for keeping things stable over time. The 24K gold plating on the body is a nice touch, especially considering the price point. It protects against corrosion, ensuring that the sound quality remains clear even after extended use. These are color-coded with red and black rings, which helps prevent mixing up the positive and negative terminals. While this might seem like a small feature, it's incredibly useful during setup, especially if you're working with multiple connections. When it comes to compatibility, these banana plugs are versatile enough to work with most home theater setups, audio receivers, and amplifiers. They provide a solid connection and good sound clarity without any noticeable loss in quality. What do you think about this video? If you found it helpful in making your decision easier, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified about our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.